How to remove foundation from clothes. Anyone who wears makeup has had the groan-worthy experience of getting foundation stains on a nice top. But next time it happens to you, don't despair. Most kinds of foundation can be removed from fabric with the right cleaning materials and a bit of patience. For oil-free foundation, a dab of shaving cream will usually do the trick. Oil-based foundations can be spot cleaned with regular liquid dish soap or laundry detergent. And if you've gotten powder foundation on your clothes, you can take it out with liquid soap and a damp sponge. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to removing oil-free liquid foundation stains, cleaning up oil-based liquid foundation stains, and getting rid of powder foundation stains. Now let's get started. Method 1. Removing oil-free liquid foundation stains. Number 1. Cover the stain with shaving cream. Any type of foam shaving cream will work for this purpose. Be sure to use cream rather than gel. 1. Spritz the cream directly onto the stain. Number 2. Let the shaving cream sit for 2-3 minutes. Give the shaving cream some time to work its magic. Just a few minutes should suffice. Expert tip. Our expert agrees, shaving cream works wonders at breaking down foundation makeup that's gotten on your clothes. However, be careful not to use this on wool or other fabrics that are dry clean only. Take these to your dry cleaner instead. Number 3. Rub the shaving cream into the stain. After you've let the shaving cream sit on the stain for a couple of minutes, work it into the stain. Use your fingers or a soft, clean cloth. Rub firmly to make sure you really work the shaving cream into the stained fibers. Number 4. Add rubbing alcohol for stubborn stains. If shaving cream and water alone don't do the trick, try mixing a little rubbing alcohol in with the shaving cream. Rub in the shaving cream and alcohol mixture, and rinse with water. If you're concerned that alcohol might damage your clothing, test a little out in an inconspicuous spot first. Number 5. Rinse the stain with cold water. Carefully wash out all the shaving cream. Use cold water on your first rinse, since hot water may cause the stain to set into the fabric. Check to see if there's any foundation left. Number 6. Repeat the treatment and rinse with warm water, if necessary. If there's any foundation left after your initial attack, spray on a little more shaving cream and try again. This time, rinse it out with warm or hot water. The warmer water may help the shaving cream break down any stubborn makeup that has already set into the fabric. Number 7. Blot the area with a clean, dry towel. After rinsing out the stain, gently pat the area dry. Use a blotting motion to lift out the water and any lingering traces of the stain. Number 8. Wash the stained item when you're done. After you've spot treated the stain, get out any residual traces of makeup and shaving cream by tossing the stained item in the wash. If the garment is not machine washable, hand wash it or get it dry cleaned. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning up oil-based liquid foundation stains. Number 1. Dampen the stained area with water. Wet the stain with a little cool water. This will help the solvent spread and break up the stain. Don't soak the area, just dampen it. For delicate garments, you may wish to do this with a spray bottle. Number 2. Pour a couple drops of liquid dish soap on the stain. Squirt the dish detergent directly onto the stain, and let it sit for a few minutes. Be sure to use hand dishwashing soap, and not dishwasher detergent, which is much harsher. Dish soap is designed to bust oil and grease, but it is also mild and gentle. For these reasons, it's a good choice for fighting oil-based makeup stains. Number 3. Rub the detergent in with your fingers or a damp cloth. Gently work the detergent into the stain to break up the oils in the makeup. You can also use a soft bristled toothbrush or, for super delicate garments, the back of a spoon. Number 4. Blot the area with a clean, dry towel. In order to lift out the stain, take a clean cloth or paper towel and press it onto the treated area. Then lift the towel up off of the spot. Do not rub or wipe the stained area, since this can end up smearing the stain around. Number 5. Rinse the spot with cool water to remove the detergent. Once you've lifted out the stain with a towel, gently rinse the area to remove any remaining detergent and makeup. If the area is still stained, blot with a towel and repeat the treatment. You may need to repeat a couple times in order to get the stain out completely. Number 6. Pre-treat stubborn stains with laundry detergent. You can also use regular laundry detergent to pre-treat a makeup stain, but check the labels on the detergent and the garment to make sure the detergent is safe to use on the stained item. For delicate garments, use a detergent designed for hand-washing delicate clothes. If you're concerned that the detergent might damage your garment, test it on an inconspicuous area first. Number 7. Wash the garment as you normally would. Once you've treated the stain with detergent, launder the item to get out any lingering makeup or detergent. Follow the cleaning directions on the garment carefully to prevent damage. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Getting rid of powder foundation stains. Number 1. Blow away the excess powder. Powder stains are relatively easy to wash out of clothing, but they're also easy to grind in. Don't try to brush or rub away the powder. The safest way to remove excess powder is to blow it off, either by mouth or with a blow dryer on a low setting. For a small powder spill, a puff of air may be enough to remove the stray makeup completely. If the powder is already rubbed into your garment, you may need to wash the stain out. Number 2. Add a few drops of liquid soap to the stain. For powder foundations, a gentle dish soap or liquid hand soap should work just fine. Put a drop or two of soap directly on the stain. If you're worried about how the soap will affect your garment, test it out in an inconspicuous area first. Number 3. Wipe the area with a damp sponge or washcloth. Wet a clean sponge or washcloth, then wring it out to remove excess water. Gently rub the stain to work in the soap and remove the powder. Rinse the cloth or sponge and repeat to get the soap out. Number 4. Blot with a clean, dry towel to get the excess water out. After treating the stain, gently blot the area with a dry towel. Be careful not to rub the garment, since this could damage the fabric or grind in any remaining makeup. Number 5. Wash the clothing using your regular method. After spot treating the stain, wash the garment as usual. Pay attention to the directions on the label in order to avoid damaging your clothing. Tips. 1. If you've spilled a blob of liquid foundation on your clothes, scrape off the excess with the edge of a spoon or a blunt butter knife. Then, gently blot, but don't wipe the stain with a clean cloth or paper towel. Once you've done that, treat the stain. 2. For delicate fabrics that are prone to water staining, feather the edges of the wet spot by gently blotting with a damp cloth in an upward and outward motion, away from the center of the stain. 3. If you need to wear the item right away after removing the stain and can't launder and dry it first, blot the area with a clean towel, then dry the wet spot with a blow dryer. Warnings. 1. Don't try to remove stains from clothing with an oil-based makeup remover. This will leave you with an oil stain to contend with in addition to a makeup stain. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.